If you head into the App Store on your iPhone and you go to download a new app, but it's not letting you, or says there's some kind of error, or it's stuck while downloading that app, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take to be able to download any app no matter what you want. The first thing that we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, tap on your name at the top. And then scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. Tap on View Account midway down and use your Face ID to unlock this. Next, tap on Manage Payments at the top. You can see my payment method. If it says something in red that says something like payment declined or there's an issue with your payment, essentially you just need to fix that billing information first. And then after you've done that, everything should be good to go to download new apps. But if that doesn't fix it, let's walk through some other things as well. Tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, and tap the back arrow yet again. Scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down again, and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases at the top, and then tap on Installing Apps at the top. If this is set to Don't Allow, switch this to Allow so that it will allow you to head into the App Store and start downloading those apps. Next, tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, and on here, tap Allowed Apps and Features. You can see, make sure all of these are turned on so that you have access to all those apps. And then tap the back arrow, and on here tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And then under Apps, right under Books, tap on that. And make sure this is set to 18+. If it's set to 4+ or 9+, this will restrict your ability to download new apps that are essentially over that age range. So switch this to 18+. Now tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, and tap the back arrow again. Tap the back arrow yet again, and at the bottom, tap on the search bar and search for App Store. You should be able to see the App Store pop up. You might need to scroll down. It might be because I just changed that screen time, so let's turn screen time off real quick. Completely turn it off. And now go back and find the App Store. You might need to tap on Apps and then tap on App Store. From here, scroll down and make sure Cell Data is turned on. If you're trying to download an app in Cell Data and this is turned off, it won't let you unless you connect to Wi-Fi. However, all you need to do is turn that on and then turn on Cellular Downloads and turn on Automatic Downloads as well. Now, going through all of these, check to see if you're able to download and install them now. If you're not, there's a sneaky thing that sometimes is the culprit. Tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, scroll up, and tap on General towards the top. Scroll down, and tap on Date and Time. From here, if Set Automatically is turned off and you have a different date and time that's either in the past or the future, this could cause issues with how your phone interacts with the App Store and prevent you from downloading and installing apps. So if that is turned off, just turn on Set Automatically. And the last thing I would recommend doing is restarting your phone. So press and hold the volume up and side button, and then just slide to power off your phone and then restart it, and you should be good to go downloading any apps to your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.